National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Clark County until 9:45 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near State Route 41 and State Route 235, moving east at 40 miles an hour. This dangerous storm will affect mainly rural areas of northwestern Clark County, including State Route 41 and State Route 235, Northampton, Lawrenceville, and Tremont City. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media.